In a world where innovation knows no bounds, a new chapter in aviation history is being written. Introducing the Mojave Short Takeoff and Landing Unmanned Aircraft System, a marvel of engineering that is redefining the boundaries of aerial operations. Join us on this journey as we unveil the Mojave STOL UAS and witness its groundbreaking capabilities. Imagine an aircraft that can conquer the most demanding terrains with ease. The Mojave STOL UAS achieves the impossible by combining advanced aerodynamics, cutting-edge propulsion systems, and state-of-the-art AI technology. From rugged construction sites to remote agricultural landscapes, the Mojave STOL UAS fearlessly tackles dirt operations like never before. Its versatile design and precision controls make it an invaluable asset across industries. The future of flight is here, with the Mojave STOL UAS. Leading the way, we envision a world where aerial tasks are safer, more efficient, and more accessible. Embracing automation, this marvel of technology is set to reshape industries and elevate human potential. Behind every revolution is a team of visionaries. The Mojave STOL UAS is the result of relentless dedication, engineering brilliance, and a commitment to pushing boundaries. Let's hear from the experts themselves about the cutting-edge technology that powers this incredible machine. As we conclude our journey into the world of the Mojave STOL UAS, one thing becomes clear. The sky is not the limit, it's just the beginning. Stay tuned for more updates on this game-changing innovation and witness the evolution of flight, one groundbreaking achievement at a time.